First of all, take my cordial love and salam. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. This is my first time video in 2026. If you are beginner, you can practice your English every single day. If you want to improve your fluency, you can practice English every single day in 2026. It is high time for practice your English. It is high time to learn English. You know that I have been learning English last 1 year, and when I was started my English journey, that time I couldn't make any single sentence in front of my camera. That time I couldn't make English video in public place. I couldn't make English video in front of my camera. At present, I'm being able to improve my speaking skill. I'm being able to improve my learning English. If you want to learn English quickly, from today you can practice your English every single day regularly. From today you can learn English quickly. If you are beginner, you can practice English every single day anywhere. If you stay in your house or if you stay in your field, it doesn't matter. From today you can practice hard. I hope that success will come definitely. Stay safe, stay your home. You can enjoy your valuable time with your English speaking partner. Side by side you can enjoy this 2026 with your friends, with your sibling. Best luck for everyone.